forward. Step forward. Stop pushing and step forward. Come here. You will have a curse of bad luck if you don't step forward.
No.
Do it now. Do it now. What is your name, child?
Just say Jane.
What
Jane.
is your name?
Jane.
I am the mighty and powerful Zoltar. Do not walk away from me before you start this. You will tell me, what do you wish for?
What do you wish for?
She can speak for herself.
I'm sorry.
She had to step off like 5 feet. I swear to God, nobody can do their own thing anymore. Jay!
Yeah.
What do you wish for?
Hell.
You wish for what?
Hell.
Hold this down. I can't hear you.
Good hell.
You want health? Then quit smoking. Poof, your wish is granted, see? It's like that you stopped. It's a joke, lady! All right, come here, come get your fortune. Come on, take it out of the cup.
Come on, Nieve. Come on.
Go on, take it, get the heck out of here. Go have a good day. Take this guy with you.